Crypto 2-minute tutorial. How to trade crypto on the Avalanche network. In this example, I'll be trading USDC into Avalanche. Step 1. Go to coinmarketcap.com. In the search bar, type in Joe. Go to traderjoexyz.com. Connect to a wallet. Connect to whatever type of wallet you're trying to connect to. In this case, I'll be using MetaMask. Find the account you're trying to connect to. Connect. Now go to trade. I'm trying to trade USDC into Avalanche. I would click on USDC and then click on Avalanche. Type in however much you're trying to trade. In this case, I'm trying to trade everything, so I will hit the max button. Press swap. Confirm swap. Confirm. Transaction has been submitted. Transaction is pending. Swap completed. Now I have more Avalanche in my account. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.